Hi everyone. So, welcome back again. Today is the day 22. We are marking it the completion of the week 3. And first of all, sorry for the interruption of yesterday. Yesterday is got disrupted because of some network issues. Sorry for that. So, let's start tomorrow. Let's start today. So, today is a fresh day, and today we will mark the journey again where we left off yesterday. So there is no recording for yesterday, but we what we did yesterday, we did the comment part, and then after completion of comment part, we have finished the notification part. So let's look at the things in the plate. So now you can see notification is in progress, and we are looking. Next thing is building the profile page. So let's get back to the code part and start the server. So how to start? Again, we will go into the front end folder. We will use npm run dev, and now it's running. Waiting for server to start. Okay, it started. Now let's get to here and restart this. Refresh this. So let's wait for a few minutes. It will get started. By the time we can look at the Figma design. So now you can see the comment part, notification part is already done. We have added this. So we are left out with the profile. So first of all, mark it as complete. Don't worry about it. We will make sure that it will have all these things because we will integrate APIs as well, and then we can make it more reactive. And in the next iteration, we will learn more about it. So next thing is profile. So to build profile, first of all, we will look into the Figma design. How does our profile page look like from the design perspective? Yeah. So now you can see it's an avatar. So here is some logo, which is in form of avatar. And first, then we have to create the views. One views for profile.view. Again, we will write script setup template, and then we will do style scope for styling. What the first thing we will do? We will import ref from view. Now we will also import, what should we import? Sidebar. So now let's say we are naming it const email equals to ref 0. Now we have edited this. Now let's move with the template, and for template again we will use similar thing, this one. and by this we will make another div which is a class equals to width 3/4, and all the other things like flex call will remain there. So we will add something like this. Now we will add some content. The first thing is the icon of avatar. So let's look for that. And for profile page, Tailwind CSS. So we can see something here. So now first thing, I will do this and there is no profile image right now. So for now, let's pick any of the image avatar. So let's say we want this. That credit totally goes to them who has hold the rights of this. We are just using for that practice. And now we have added this. So let's save this and add this in the route. And what should be the route for it? Profile. We will also edit this based on our requirement. Because still currently we are doing the component part as a static website. We are building this. We will add a dynamic city, reactivity, all sort of those things when we connect with the integrate with the APIs. So let's wait for a few more days. Bind with me. I will let you know what API is, how to integrate in the front end, how to build in the back end, how system works, what are the different things we require. So now currently let's look into it. So what the today's topic? It's the profile. Now in the social connect, what we do in the we will go to profile. So now we have been there. So let's say P24, M24. So we can see here. Instead of flex call, let's write it flex row. Now let's remove this. Still now you can see it's in the center, but we want height to be more. So let's say height should be 30-30. 30-30 is too big and 10-10 is too small. So let's go with the 15-15. So now with this we want form. So what the form should contain? Mm. And for form we will again go to the sign in to have similar kind of things, or basically sign up will be much better where everything is there already been created. So view model for username. So now email is there similarly. So similarly we can pick this code as well. Now I can see the error because the button was for form was for on sign up and we haven't function on sign up. So make it on sign up. And similarly here we will do on update. And in the here we will write on update. And for everything we will add one more thing, that is the value. Value will be username, so username. So let's say username have, for timing, username has Jack. I guess there should be some error, and let's go to the console to see that data is not defined. So here the data is there. Okay, got it for this part. So let's move it here and move this here. So now you can see this. So now you can see there is a username which is visible, and similarly I will put everything as like that. Value is equals to password because we want to update that. Similarly here, so let's copy this and paste it again 2 times. So we will update this in a better way in the upcoming days as well. So now this is phone and this is email. Now few things need to be deleted, like this content doesn't require for us. And button class is profile button. And now after this should be update profile. Now for this I will save this and it will get. So there may be some error. And error in the not valid attribute name. Similarly, let's say password is test or password. Email is something email. Fail to execute set attribute. This is not a valid attribute name. Now there's a value of everything, and if I remove the value, does it work? So now you can see it works. But we want extra space, and this should be a little more center. Then image should be 15 and this should be 15. So instead of that, what should I do? I can add an additional CSS here and fix. I still want 100. Twenty could be better. Yes, this could be. This is better. Now text LG, text LG, text LG, text LG. Also want this to be width full. So convert this into 10 instead of 10. What happen if I remove this? Re-input. Now every input should have width. mm, some 400 pixel. Right. This is looking good. And now profile button border black, justify center, item center, text center. That is not there, but this whole content should be in center. And it will be available if if and what should be that which condition, editable. So now let's make a simple function, const editable is equals to ref false. Now you can see it is not visible, and when it will become true, so we will add a button of editable in this portion. So editable icon. So we will find editable icon FA font awesome. Yes, it is correct. The view font awesome icon again. We will add this here, but for this again, we will add this from here. And the icon is edit. So for edit, and we will add that for edit here. So it's not far, it's far. So it is not found. So let's clear this first. Find the edit font awesome used in this page. So we will look into actually what the actual thing, the name of here. Or should I try something like fire instead of fire edit? Just like for notification, it was fast. Yeah, it is there now. We can see that. So that should be here. After a line break, and for this class equals to text right, edit icon, and this should be move first. Then H10. Now at the red click on readable, and let's make a function on readable. And make readable dot value is equals to false or true. So now let's say it is this, and now it is clickable and it shows like this. So it updated. So first thing we will do tomorrow is shifting this to the right side. Now then making it uneditable at once, and then making it editable when I click this. So these are tasks which is pending for now, and then we will shift this page as this here as well. So let's add it here as well. M auto. Left by 16. So now it's looking good. It's almost in the center, but currently we are just building for this type of devices. If you select like this, it doesn't work like that. All right. So we have all those values. We will see how to add these values as well. for now. So we have completed this part. Now we will look into the building of, after completing this, we will look into the building of APIs, and for that we will take one day time, understand the ideas, concept, and we will, before building the APIs, we will also look into the database part, how to design that. We will design that database as well. And then after designing the database, we will define what the operation is required, what the structure should be there for the folders, and why should we elect that, which tech stack to use for the backend as well. We will discuss all those things. If you have any queries, if you have any interest, do let me know. Until then, keep smiling, learning, and have fun. Thank you.